today we're going to continue on our topic balancing chemical equations. As you can see, we have an equation on the board. For you to balance your equation, you must first write your unbalanced equation. And in writing your unbalanced equation, you must ensure that you have the correct formula for your reactant and your product. Now, to balance your chemical equation, you need to ensure that you have the same number of atoms or ions on both the reactant side and the product side. To do that, you need to place a whole number in front of the formula to ensure that the amount of element for your reactant and product is the same. Now we're going to balance this equation that we have on the board. On the reactant side, we have one zinc element. On the product side, we have one, so the element zinc is balanced. When we look at our hydrochloric acid, we realize that we have one chlorine atom here and two chlorine atoms over there. So to balance our chlorine atoms, we're going to put a 2 here, right? Once you put the 2 here, you now have 2 chlorine atoms on your reactant side, 2 chlorine atoms on your product side. So therefore your chlorine atoms are balanced. Now let's look at our hydrogen atom. On the reactant side, we have 4 hydrogen atoms, but on the product side, we only have 2. So to balance the hydrogens, we are going to place a 2 in front of the hydrogen on the product side. So let's count. We have 4 hydrogens on the reactant side and 4 on the product side. Now let's look at our oxygen. On the reactant side, we have 2 oxygen. And on the product side, we have 2 oxygen, which therefore means that all the elements in this equation is the same number on the reactant side and on the product side. So therefore, our equation is balanced.